Thank you for visiting Riveting Journey. In this video, join us on the first day of the season when the Going to the Sun Road was open all the way through the park.
Opening day, as I call it, this year was June the 25th, 2021. We were there the day before when it was closed, and we weren't sure that it was going to be open when, so this was great fact. Some facts about the road. Actually, the road construction was started in 1921, and it finally completed in 1932. There were two routes to go from the west to the east entrances. One route had 15 switchbacks, and it was determined that would be too hard to not only to build but also to maintain. So the present day route is the one that was utilized with only one switchback at a place called the Loop.
Which is where the video ends.
Yeah, the video ends right there. So the actual road was dedicated in July of 1933, and for the most part the road was built by hand because it was so rugged and hard to get equipment in there, heavy pieces of equipment, that it was just impossible to do. The road is 50 miles long from the east to the west section. It's a two-lane road that's very narrow in some spots, to the point where we had to fold our mirrors in. Other trucks coming in had to fold their mirrors in because the rocks kind of creep out. As you can see in the video, you'll see how the rocks kind of creep out, and we're kind of creeping around through there. It's also been considered, the Going to the Sun Road is considered one of the most difficult roads in the United States to snowplow. One reason is because at Logan Pass, which is the highest elevation, and you're at the Continental Divide right there, between the east and the west on the U.S., the way water flows, you can get up to 80 feet of snow. It takes approximately 10 weeks to clear, and then they have to do repairs. Sometimes there's boulders come rolling down in the snow that they uncover that have to be removed. Guardrails have to be put back up, so it takes.
And in addition,
yeah,
you'll see in the video, a lot of water flows directly onto the road. So the temperatures kind of have to be warm enough
to where it's not
freezing.
The latest that the road has ever been opened was July the 13th in 2011, and that was the latest opening since the actual dedication opening, which was July the 15th, 1933, just for a little perspective. So enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. hang in there. That's the shot.
Yeah, switch her the windows. Switch her the windows.
My God.